Hello viewers, today we are unveiling the Harnessing the Power of Essential Oils for Youthful Skin, 7 Effective Oils for Wrinkles. Essential oils have been treasured for centuries for their therapeutic properties, and their benefits extend beyond aromatherapy. When it comes to skin care, essential oils offer a natural and holistic approach to address various concerns, including wrinkles. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and other nourishing compounds, these oils can contribute to a healthier and more youthful complexion. In this video, we explore the world of essential oils and highlight 7 that stand out for their effectiveness in combating wrinkles. Lavender oil, known for its soothing aroma, lavender oil also boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles while promoting relaxation. Frankincense oil, renowned for its skin rejuvenating properties, frankincense oil aids in promoting cell turnover and improving skin elasticity. Fades the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines over time. Rosehip seed oil, rich in vitamins A and C, as well as essential fatty acids, rosehip seed oil is a potent ally against aging. Helps in improving skin texture and reducing the depth of wrinkles. Geranium oil balances sebum production and enhances blood circulation, promoting a radiant and youthful complexion. Known for tightening and toning the skin, reducing the visibility of wrinkles. Jojoba oil mimics the skin's natural oils, making it an excellent moisturizer. Contains vitamin E and B-complex vitamins, aiding in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Carrot seed oil. Packed with antioxidants, carrot seed oil helps neutralize free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Promotes cell regeneration, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Pomegranate seed oil, a powerhouse of antioxidants, pomegranate seed oil supports collagen production and helps firm the skin. Effective in reducing the depth and length of wrinkles. Incorporating essential oils into your skincare routine. While essential oils can be highly beneficial for the skin, it's essential to use them properly to avoid irritation. Here are some tips. Dilution: always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying to the skin. This ensures that the oils are not too concentrated and reduces the risk of irritation. Patch test: before applying any essential oil to your face, perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions. Consistency: for optimal results, use essential oils consistently in your skincare routine. Whether added to your moisturizer or used in a facial massage, regular application can yield noticeable improvements over time. Essential oils offer a natural and aromatic approach to addressing skin concerns, particularly wrinkles. From lavender to pomegranate seed oil, these botanical extracts provide a wealth of nutrients that support skin health and combat the signs of aging. As with any skincare regimen, it's crucial to be consistent and mindful of your skin's unique needs. By incorporating these essential oils into your routine, you can nurture your skin and embrace a radiant, youthful glow.